The tablet comes inside a well-packed white box with a gold logo, woo, and the tablet itself is protected by a protective plastic bag. And talking about bag, Gaomon also deliver a bag in the box made of fabrics, and I appreciate that because you always need one when you transport the unit or when you store it. So that's a good detail. You also have a tiny bag of thick felt containing replacement nibs and a metal piece to catch them on the stylus. About the stylus, it also comes with one of these felt bags. I like that because it's also convenient for transport here again. And it has two buttons, no eraser, and I also like the tubular shape of it. There is basic documentation and a glove. Perfect. Oh, I almost forgot, there is also a USB cable to connect the unit to your computer. All in all, it's really surprising to see all these tiny bonuses on a tablet at this range of price. That's very cool. The overall design is clearly an imitation of the Wacom Intuos tablets. There is no originality here, but it works, and it's pleasant to watch. The surface is smooth and with a slight texture. That's my favorite type of overlay surface. Not too smooth, not too textured. That's a very good point. The pen feels a bit too lightweight, as if it was made of an empty plastic shell. I'm not used to that, but I like the shape it has. As I said, tubular, and not the shape of a pear. That's good. The tablet is thin, and it has a port on the side to connect it to a USB port of your computer. The tablet has 11 buttons and a touch ring. The feeling of the button in general is standard and okay. Just a bit noisy and a bit plastic, but that's really a standard with all the tablets I tested. And I really wish in general the brands of tablet took more care about this button.